Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all how I achieved this reddish ginger color. So I really wanted, I didn't want your regular orange ginger. I did that recently and I didn't really like it. So I wanted something a little more red. I wanted to go for Wanda from WandaVision and kind of go for that red. But I'm going to show you all how I got this color, take you all through the process, and I'm also going to give you all a quick little review of this 613 hair from HJ Hair Store on Aliexpress. I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. We're going to go ahead and jump into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. On camera, this hair looks a little like strawberry or something, but okay, my mom compared this hair to Raggedy Ann, so it's that kind of red. Wanda, I feel like I got my Wanda color, but I'm going to show you all how I did and all that. But let's talk about this hair. This is the first 613 wig I really love. It really is, because that last wig I got from A Lot Hair, it just wasn't giving. It was shedding a lot. I did get a little shedding from this wig, but it's not as much as with that wig, and that wig was tangling a lot. But this is some bomb 613 hair. So let me show you all. So I watercolored this all the same, but for some reason the frontal region took the dye a little more than the back. So it's hard to tell, but you see, this piece is a little darker than the rest of my hair. So it kind of gave me that dark roots look. Even though this was the one time I didn't really try to strive for that, it did give me a kind of darker, you can see it's a little darker right there. And then you get more of the orangish, right here, my hair is really orange. But here you see a little darkness. So the frontal just soaks up all the dye super duper fast. Keep that in mind for this hair. But this hair is bomb. I love it. It was, when I actually did the unboxing, you all remember that the hair was actually longer than what they told me it was. I added some curls to it. So this is 32 inches. I'm 5'7". So this is where the hair is curled. So when I straighten it, it'll probably be right there. But this hair is super thick and full, it's giving. So I like that kind of ginger instead of it being orange. This is really paprika. I'm going to show you all the dyes I used, how I got this color. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, this wig is so big head friendly. This is the biggest wig I've ever experienced in my life. I never had extra space in a wig. It's always been perfect. I have a large head, you all, and then I barely know how to braid. So I have thick hair. So my hair is never perfectly braided to the scalp. So wig fit my head and I had extra room at that, which I loved. So this is the best 613 wig I've ever had. I probably have tried 4 by now. And this color is actually a color I want to wear. I will actually wear this for maybe 2 weeks or so. Usually I may wear that color for my 613 hair colors, whatever I dye it, for 2 days. But I actually want to wear this. I think it's really cute. It matches my room. But okay, I'm going to show you all how I actually achieved this color. I'll be back at the end of all of that. But I hope y'all enjoy this video, tutorial, whatever. And let's go ahead and hop into this video. So if you did not watch my unboxing video of this hair, I definitely recommend it. But as you all can see, this hair was just giving right out of the pack. It was less than $400, 32 inches. I forgot what density this is, but y'all see those ends are thick. I'm going to put it all in the description box and all of that. But this hair was so beautiful. Some people say that this step is not necessary with watercoloring 613 hair, but I'd rather be safe than sorry because I believe my hair has stained before. So we're going to protect the lace with Got To Be Glue freeze spray. We're going to do 3 layers on the lace. So we're going to spray it, blow dry it to kind of dry up the spray it, blow dry it, spray it, blow dry it. And then it'll be ready for watercoloring. So I was kind of experimenting and stuff but I ended up using 2 Cajun spice dyes from Adore. Also 1 paprika, well, most of this paprika bottle, and then 2 Cajun spice dyes from Kiss Hair. So I'm going to show that bottle too, because the Kiss Hair dye is a little more reddish, and I think it really gave it a cool effect, and I love that the Kiss dye is permanent. So I'm just going to add the hot water to the pan. It was boiling. This is some of the most cool water I ever use. Usually it's too hot to touch. Make sure you have a paper towel, because this is how you're going to kind of guesstimate what color your hair is going to come out as you're mixing the dye. I have some gloves. These are just like the regular dye gloves. Definitely recommend them if you have nails and don't want to stain your nails. So firstly, I'm going to use all of the Cajun spice. We're putting it in one by one. So I kind of dip it back in the water, shake it around to try to get all the loose dye. Definitely use some kind of whisk or something to mix it all up and kind of get all the dye chunks out. We're going in with the second Cajun spice. So I recommend putting in one bottle, mixing it, putting in the other bottle, mixing it. So you won't have to mix as much at once. So I actually ended up using all of the paprika. You'll see like the bubbles in the water turn way more orange when I put in that paprika. You can see that color change in the bubbles. So the paprika really makes it more red-like instead of like your orangish. I wanted the color to be a little more pigmented than that. So of course, this is when I add all of the Kiss dyes. I used both of these. So in the end, I ended up using 2 Cajun spice from Adore, 1 full paprika, 2 full Cajun spice from Kiss. And you see, look at that color change. You can see it in the bubbles. It looks a little more red-like now. Watercoloring is just so simple. I love it. But at this point, I decided that the hair was about the color I wanted. So I saw like little dye chunks stuck to the hair. So I was like, I must didn't mix this all the way. So that's when I decided to mix it a little more with the whisk. But we're just going to kind of bounce the hair up and down so every strand is getting touched with the dye. And then we're just going to submerge the whole thing. You can kind of play with it and move it around to make sure everything is hitting that dye. So you may want to use a taller or even more water, but the more water you use, the more dye you're going to need. So, I mean, I like this pan. I just got to make sure everything is hitting that water. So you see, it's kind of coming together. Like the dye stuck to the hair like immediately. I love this process. I kept it in like maybe, let's say 20 minutes because I took a shower. So 20 minutes, and then I just took it out, conditioned it, and the color was given. Like, look, the color already there that fast, and it's sticking. So 20 minutes later, you see that the water is a lot lighter when you lift the hair because all that dye has been soaked into the hair. And you also can see here that like you can see the frontal region dyed a little darker than the rest of the hair. It just sucked up that dye so quickly. I'm not sure why. I think it's just the company, but it was given. It's beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. So this is the hair after I rinsed the dye out, and it's just given. You all see the frontal region is a little bit darker, but I'm in love with this color. And I decided to use the 5-in-1 conditioner to kind of just get the hair back to the way it was. Okay, y'all, one thing I forgot to mention that I really loved is the amount of parting space. Like, this is just a 13x4, and I feel like it goes back a nice distance. Like, this is really cute. It's orange. It's like a burnt orange. Like, it really does match my room. So you all see the front being a little darker. Like, here you can really see the gingerness. Well, at least the orange. Love this wig all together. But that is basically it for this video. If you all have any other questions on the hair, I'm going to be in the comments. Put them in the comments section. I'm always replying in there. I'll put the hair in the description box with the dyes I used and all of that. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you all. Bye, guys.